Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and it's been a while. I hope you're all doing well despite these challenging times that make it pretty difficult to go out and buy Hot Wheels cars. But more importantly, I hope you guys are healthy and happy. So today we are going to open up 12 of the Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport sets. Now this series started out in 2018 with Mix 1, which included a Volkswagen and a Porsche 356 Speedster, a Sakura Sprinter and Nissan Laurel, and carry on with a Nissan Skyline van. I've already opened up those 3 vehicles in a previous video. That was Mix 1, but today we have Mix 2 to Mix 6, which is numbers 4 through 15. That makes for a grand total of 12 Team Transport sets, so let's get these things opened up and take a look at the haulers and their cargo out of the box. The first set we're opening up is number 4, also known as the Snake. It is the yellow 72 Plymouth Cuda funny car and retro rig. Up next, we have number 5, also known as the Mongoose. It is the red Plymouth Duster funny car and retro rig. Here we have number 6, which is one of my personal favorites, the red and yellow Momo Porsche 962 and Fleet Flyer. Team Transport number 7 is the black Hole 66 Supernova and retro rig. On to combo number 8. This one is the JDML Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX and Sakura Sprinter. Number 9 is the BRE Datsun 71 Datsun 510 paired with the Fleet Flyer. Let's take a look at the 10th member of the Team Transport family. This is the Falcon Tires Mercedes-Benz 190E and Fleet Flyer. Moving on to number 11, this is the red and white Nissan Fairlady Z and Sakura Sprinter. If you own every truck up to this point, you have a dozen Team Transport sets. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 and Aerolift. Similar to the very first Team Transport set, which was not shown in this video, number 13 is a Porsche and Volkswagen combo, the Porsche 356A Outlaw and the Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. Combo 14 is probably one of the best looking sets in my opinion. This is the green Jaguar lightweight E-Type paired with Carry On. Our last Team Transport set for this episode is number 15, the blue custom 64 Galaxy 500 and the Ford C800. So there we have it everyone, a dozen extremely impressive haulers with equally cool cargo ready to depart for the racetrack. As nice as these things looked in the package, there is something about getting these bad boys out of the box that makes them look so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.